All right, we have to determine which of these four inequalities is represented by this graph shown right here. Now, we can see that we have a point right at -2, and the graph is showing all the values to the right of -2, which means greater than -2. So we are looking for all x values that are greater than -2 or equal to -2. So what we're going to do is just go right down the line and solve these until we come up with the solution right here. So let's just start with this first choice right here. So we have -5x minus 4 is less than or equal to 6. So first we're going to take the inverse of subtracting 4 and add 4 to the other side, which allows us to combine like terms. So 6 plus 4 is 10, and on the left side we still have -5 times x. All right, now to turn any coefficient into +1, you just divide that coefficient by itself, and that will give you a coefficient of +1, leaving us with +1x on this side, and on this side we have to divide 10 by -5, which is -2. Now we have to be careful here. Whenever dividing both sides by negative, we have to reverse the direction of our inequality symbol. So we came up with a solution where all x's have to be greater than -2 or equal to 2, which is what the graph represents. So we got lucky right off the bat and determined that choice A is the solution. Now, something else we should have noticed before even solving is that our point above -2 is shaded in. We have a close point, which means that this value is included as one of the possible solutions, which means that underneath our inequality symbol, whether it be greater than or less than, you have to have equal to as part of that symbol. And notice that choice B does not have equal to as part of the solution, nor does choice C. So we could have eliminated choices B and C right off the bat and just solved A and D, and we didn't have to go further than A because that ended up being our solution.